everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make the long double crochet stitch. This is a really fun and easy crochet stitch, so if you know how to do the double crochet, this is going to be a snap for you. I wanted to show you guys this stitch because I used it in my newest pillow pattern. It's called the That 70s Pillow. It's a free crochet pattern, so I'm going to leave a link to the pattern below. Alright guys, so we are just going to dive right into this tutorial. For this sample, I'm going to be using a medium 4 worsted weight yarn. This is Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek. I'm also going to be using a 7mm crochet hook, but you are welcome to use any hook size as well as any yarn that you'd like. So before we get started, I'd like to let you know that I've already crocheted 3 rows of single crochet. So if you want to go ahead and do that before you get started, please do. I chained 17 and that gave me a total of 16 single crochets across. Okay, so now we're just gonna start our long double crochet stitch. So we're gonna chain 3. And into this first stitch, we're going to yarn over and we're going to pretend that we are making a double crochet. So we're going to insert our hook into the stitch, we're going to yarn over and we're going to draw up a loop. So normally with double crochet stitches, we would just yarn over and pull through those 2 loops right away. But with the long double crochet, we are going to extend these loops by pulling upwards. So do you guys see how that lengthened these 2 loops? So when we've pulled them up however high we'd like, I usually go between 1 to 2 inches in height. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through those extended loops. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through the remaining 2 loops. So we've just made our first long double crochet. We're going to repeat that. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Okay, now we're going to extend these loops by pulling upwards, and you guys might notice it's a lot easier after you make the first stitch. So the first stitch is always a little resistant, but every other stitch is going to make it's just going to be easy to pull those loops up. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to pull through the extended loops, and you're going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Okay, one more time. We're going to yarn over like normal, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Okay, we're going to extend these loops by pulling upwards, and we always want it to be between 1 to 2 inches in height. We're going to yarn over, pull through those extended loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on our hook. Okay, and I'll just repeat that one more time and then you guys are good to go. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. We're going to extend our stitch by pulling upwards. We're going to yarn over, pull through the extended loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops, and we did it. So this right here, guys, is considered the right side of the stitch, and if you turn it around, this is considered the wrong side. I'm a little biased, but I love the wrong side of this stitch. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, which side do you prefer? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you and gave you an idea of what a long double crochet is. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and have a really nice day, guys.